Welcome to this site. You cannot imagine we are in the heart of Mombasa, such a beautiful nature. This is an area where initially it was a mining site for cement. Now over time this has been rehabilitated and the nature has come back. As we said, it's now one of the leading tourism destinations in Mombasa, but it's really amazing how nature can just bounce back and regenerate itself. And now these are all natural vegetation has come back. As you can see, the palm trees, see the other natural vegetation is fully back. And so, and the wildlife, the birds, the fish, and the nature is back in this area. So as much as possible, we know that we are able to utilize the natural resources that we have, but it is also important that we take care of such an environment so that it regenerates and so that it bounces back and become a useful area once more. So it's really important for, see there over there, I can see some vervet monkeys over there just feeding. You can see some of the indigenous trees, species of trees are here. And so people, if you sit here, you think that you are in a deep equatorial forest or deep inside Mount Kenya or inside other dense forests. But it's just important that how beautiful this natural environment is. So we encourage everyone where you are to take care of the nature and to take care of the environment, and the nature will ultimately take care of you. Thank you.
Very early morning run. The environment is captivating. Heading to the ocean. The area is just fantastic.